Guys, and welcome back to my channel Power again. My name is Vaibhav and I am come up with new series CCSA Checkpoint Certified Security Administration course. In this course we'll be going to cover all the new topics which we have for 2023 exam with respect to the practicals, the different scenario based question answers, plus whatever the things covered on the checkpoint site syllabus we'll be going to cover in this series. You'll be having a lot of labs, theoretical session as well, which going to be cover basic understanding of the product plus the advanced level of troubleshooting, as well as the concepts which I'm going to touch in depth about how the checkpoint product works. So guys, please subscribe this series and enjoy CCSA course. In this series, these are the topics which I'm going to cover, and those all the topics is from the checkpoint sites. So the topics are security architecture, application control, deployment, licensing, Gaia portal, netting, URL filtering, monitoring states, IoTs, traffic visibility, security events, threat abstractions, threat emulation, policy layers, browser SmartConsole, infinite threat prevention, and a lot of different aspects in terms of the troubleshooting. Plus, if I say the topics, the objective specifically going to be covered, those are like know how to perform periodic administration tasks, describe the basic function of the Gaia operating system, recognize SmartConsole features, functions, tools, checkpoint security products, how they work, understand the checkpoint policy layers, understand and enable the application control on your operating software blade which is block the access, troubleshoot on that, articulate how the intrusion prevention system is configured, maintain and tune, understand infinite threat prevention system, knowledge about the threat checkpoint IoT products, and in exercise we'll be having configuring the security management server, use the web UI to run the first time wizard, install SmartConsole, install the security gateway in different sort of topology, demonstrate how security management server and gateway communicate, test SIC, create multiple administrator and apply the different roles, then validate the existing license for product installed on the network, plus create configure host network and group objects, create simplified security policy, many more things guys. Whatever you can see onto the checkpoint side, those things going to be covered on this series. So this series is very depth and very important. So guys, please subscribe my channel and watch all these videos which will be covered.